Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is for all the mommies out there on how to prepare ragi milk porridge using ragi milk extracted from soaked ragi or finger millets. Introducing your baby to solid food is an exciting milestone. Doctors usually advise 6 months of exclusive breastfeeding since your baby's gut is so delicate. Your baby develops digestive enzymes in between 4 to 6 months, which is crucial for digestion of food. It's a good choice to wait until your baby develops these enzymes completely. So now, the best food to start with for your baby is to try feeding ragi milk extracted from soaked ragi or finger millet. The usual ragi porridge that we make from ragi powder is not recommended because it causes indigestion in kids at this stage. Take a considerable amount of ragi or finger millets in a bowl, wash it thoroughly, soak it in water for a minimum of half an hour, grind the soaked ragi with water in a blender, filter the milk extracted, place it in a bowl, add some water and boil it under low flame. Keep stirring the ragi milk so that it doesn't stick to the bottom or form lumps. Add salt to taste. Mix well and continue stirring. And after some time, add sugar to taste. Mix well and continue stirring until it reaches this consistency. Ragi milk porridge is now ready to serve your baby. Health benefits of ragi. It causes easy digestion in children. The consistency of this food makes it easy for your baby to swallow as your baby is not used to solid food before. Ragi is a rich source of calcium. It helps in weight gain. Some tips to follow when you feed your baby with ragi milk porridge or any other food that you start with. Always start with a single food. Ragi milk porridge most preferred. Follow 3-day test rule for every food you introduce. Wait until your 4th day to know the results. If your baby is not comfortable with the food that you serve, please do not force your baby to continue with the food. Some children might have constipation due to ragi milk porridge. It is always advisable to have some dry grapes soaked in water for some time and boiled and kept aside, and make your baby drink this water once in a while a day so that it clears the constipation caused by ragi milk porridge.